In 1905, the Fat Director opened a railway. Its first engine was a coffee pot, named Silas, in 1905. In 1910, the railway got its numbers 2 and 3, Glyn and Clifford. However, Silas had to be scrapped, causing Glyn to be the railway's number 1. In 1911, they got their 4th engine, Conrad. However, due to many failed attempts, he was parked at Farquhar Sheds, where he ultimately met his demise. Glyn and Clifford couldn't handle it on their own, and one crash caused the railway's entire end. They said goodbye to the Fat Controller as Thomas came to pick them up. The two were sad about the railway's end and knew that it just wouldn't be enough and that they couldn't get another chance. And so in 1914 it did happen. They had a long chat with Thomas. He even got that snow was silly soft stuff from them. The three did make good friends. But it still just wasn't enough. Thomas put the two into a shed and left, where the two stayed for the rest of their lives, and for Clifford, the end of his.